Are you new to budgeting and not sure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to go over the basics of budgeting and provide some helpful tips and tricks to help get you started. Now, before we get into details, let's first define what a budget actually is. A budget is essentially a plan for how you will allocate your income and expenses over a given period of time. We normally go by month. It helps you understand where your money is going and how to identify areas where you can cut back or save even more capital. So, how do you actually get started with budgeting? The first step is to gather all of your financial information, including your income, expenses, and debts. Don't forget about the debts. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation and help you set realistic goals. Next, you're going to want to create a budget plan. There are many ways to do this, but the simple one is using the 50-30-20 rule. This means that you're going to allocate 50% of your budget to necessities like rent, food, and utilities, 30% to discretionary spending like entertainment and dining out, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. If you guys want to, you can make this the 50-20-30 rule, where you guys spend 20% on discretionary spending to save a little bit more and add the extra 10% to paying down debt and improving your savings, especially as we head into a recession. Once you have a budget plan in place, it's important to stick to it. This means tracking your expenses and making adjustments as needed. Do not be afraid to make changes to your budget if your financial situation changes, or that if you find that you're not able to stick to your plan. Life happens, you guys understand this, just make sure to stick to that plan as best you can. Budgeting may take some time and effort, but it's a valuable skill that can help you better manage your finances and achieve your financial goals. Nobody wants to be poor, heck, nobody even wants to be middle class. We all want to be with the millionaires. This helps you get there. With a little bit of patience, you'll be a budgeting pro in no time.